Hello students, welcome to class 7 St. Thomas School Thursday session. Let us continue from the plantations. When certain crops are grown in the garden method, taken care as a garden, it is called plantation. Tea, coffee, fruit, orchid, vegetables, coconut, palm, etc. can be as a plantations developed and grown. Tea is grown on the slope of the mountains where the forests are cleared. Waterlogging near the root of tea plant is harmful for plantation. That is why it is grown on the mountain slope. Assam is the maximum producer of tea. Beside Assam, tea is produced in West Bengal, Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. India is the leading producer of tea in the world. Discovery of coffee plant is also a different one, and Kaladi daily took the goats for the grazing. It was a story of one shepherd, and one day he ate the fruit of the plant which the goats were eating and felt fresh, and slowly coffee is invented, introduced to the world, and now coffee is one of the best beverages. Now let us see of the irrigation method. Here the map is given. Monsoon in India is irregular and uncertain. Most of the state experience scanty rainfall for a short period of time. Due to uncertain rain, more than one crop is rarely grown in entire portion of the land. Hence, increase of agricultural production is necessary. That is why irrigation system is prepared. First one is Indira Gandhi Canal. It is the longest canal project of the world. Because of this canal, barren land of Rajasthan has become fertile for farming, having length of 9,425 kilometers. Then comes industry. It is classified into the three types based on investment, number of employees and quantity of production. Cottage industry, when people make things at home in which the investment is very low, like incense stick, papad, furniture, pickle, is called cottage industry, Gru Udyog. Then small scale, it is consist of a factory, some machinery, some workers, in which investment is more than cottage industry. In a small scale industry, toys, TV, refrigerator, plastic items are made. Heavy industry are those in which big industry, big machinery, large number of worker work. It requires heavy investment, so it is called heavy industry. It includes iron, steel, motor car, cement, etc. These are the points where heavy industries are located. Gujarat is very prosperous for the heavy industries. You can see that many industries are developed in our state: chemical, refineries, cotton, textile. It is the largest manufacturing hub. Our state is having a lot of production for this. Then the chief talk is about the cotton cloth industries. In cotton cloth, cultivation of cotton crop is very important. So cotton textile industry has developed in Ahmedabad, Surat, Mumbai and Coimbatore. Then comes woolen industry. It was started in cottage industry. Now it is developed into the big industry. Punjab is the main center. Maharashtra, Gujarat, Jamnagar, Ahmedabad and Haryana also having some work for the woolen industries. Then comes sugar industry, where sugarcane juice is required to make sugar. It is developed in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Then cement industry, limestone is required and cement is used in construction site. From next session onwards, we shall have a more talk from cement industry and paper industry. Before that, I request all the students to undergone through this all industries, read twice, thrice these all the points properly, and you can continue the lesson writing in your notebook. Till then I remain. Thank you, students.